As you can see, this is the expo.
We hope you enjoy exploring the world in one place.
I could've stars along like a path cross one day.
This is Alps Hotel.
Whoa.
Performance will be 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Island Pavilion. This is a Chile Pavilion. Performance will be 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Is the world's largest coral reef and the only living organism that you can see from space.
This is the Russia Pavilion for the back side.
And very all precise. The gold engines were replanted, but precisely for 8 seconds.
Hello, as you can see at my back, today is the last Expo 2020 here in Dubai. And this would be the last night.
But for your safety and the safety of others, it is encouraged that you continue wearing your attendant safety.
Feeling yourself, struggling on this now. Let
This is the expo. This is the exit. All right. So this is the venue of the expo. Yeah.